Costa's ships span the globe with one of the most modern fleets in the world. Our 12 luxurious ships will transport you into the state of mind that is cruising Italian style. They're beautiful and spacious, large and small, classic and just christened. In fact, our two newest additions, the Costa Concordia and Costa Serena, are the largest cruise ships in Italian history. And in June 2009, they'll be joined by their sister ship, the Costa Pacifica and the Costa Luminosa, a new class of ship for Costa. But that's not all. We'll be inaugurating a sister to the Costa Luminosa in 2010 and two more sister ships in the Concordia class, one in 2011 and another in 2012. Whichever Costa ship you sail, you'll enjoy a romantic Italian ambiance, complemented by original artwork, Carrara marble, Murano glass, and the finest mahogany and briarwood. You'll feel as if you're relaxing in a quiet palazzo cafe, dining in the great hall of a grand palace, or browsing a magnificent museum. It's a magical experience, one that takes you worlds away from the everyday. So, benvenuto. On Costa, you're cruising Italian style from the moment we welcome you aboard.